Hello everyone, this is Namrata. Today I'm going to discuss about market research for lead customer. The concept of lead customer is one of the best practices in marketing. It was first developed by Erich von Hippel 1986. They can also be called as the innovators. Lead customer are customers whose current needs are the potential product or service in the future. They are used in much earlier stage in the innovation process and therefore provide new product concepts and design together with the technical team. Now I'm going to talk about the 4 steps of lead customer market research. The first step is to identify an important market trend. As the lead customer are defined to be the advanced adopter in the market, it is important to identify the underlying trend before lead users are identified. Let's give an example of that. Industrial goods like computer parts, such as memory, processors, etc., are getting less expensive every year, and this trend will continue for next couple of years. But for the consumer goods, measuring trend is difficult because there is no stable basis for the economic value. Customer perceptions never remain consistent with the time. Therefore, knowing the trend will help to understand if the market is ready to accept the product and service the firm is offering. Once the firm has identified the market trend, they can start to search for lead users. We need to identify users who are in the leading edge of each identified trend and users who expect to obtain the highest benefit. As example, smartphones were introduced with the realization to wireless technology. Users who were at the edge of using dial-up telephone also realized the importance of easy portability. Later on, smartphone came up with many benefits as the customers cherished for, such as long-lasting battery, camera, clock, text messaging, and etc. Now comes the part for analyzing lead user data. Data derived from lead users and their real-life problem with an interest to new product concept can be incorporated in market research. However, lead users subconsciously helping out for existing commercial product. The problem-solving activities bring out new concepts with the manufacturers have never been anticipated. Ever heard of a dry shampoo? Well, most people simply familiar with liquid shampoo, but a dry shampoo can be applied when the hair is dry. Dry shampoo is for people who are prone to oily hair. Finally, I will talk about how to project lead user data on the general market interest. It is important to know how the lead user insights can be applicable in the typical user target market. Many firms follow approaches like product prototyping and A/B testing to let users use the product. Therefore, lots of insight will be found on how the user use the product. Further improvement of the product will be done based on user feedback whether condition A or condition B could effectively meet the demand. On a final note, tech giants like Facebook, Google, Apple, Microsoft invest billions of dollars for research and development every year. To keep a pace ahead of the competitors, lead customer identification is a must. That's all for today. Thanks for listening.